Saya ingin memaklumkan bahawa operasi mencari pesawat MH370 masih berterusan pada saat ini. Peringkat pertama operasi mencari, di mana kita telah memberi tumpuan kepada kawasan di mana signal terakhir daripada pesawat tersebut telah diterima, telah pun dilakukan, namun setakat ini tidak dapat dikesan apa-apa. Dan oleh itu, setelah saya berbincang hari ini bersama-sama dengan Timbalan Perdana Menteri, Menteri Pemangku, Menteri Pengangkutan dan ketua-ketua agensi-agensi kerajaan, maka kita telah mengambil keputusan untuk memperluaskan kawasan mencari. Dan untuk tujuan ini, kita telah menambah bilangan aset yang kita kerahkan kepada kawasan mencari, di mana dari segi bilangan pesawat jumlahnya 15, terdiri daripada 4 C130, 1 CN235, 4 EC725, 1 Beechcraft, 1 King Air. Ini yang tadi itu aset-aset TUDM, 2 bombardier, kapal terbang bombardier kepunyaan APMM, dan 2 helikopter Agusta. Dari segi bilangan kapal pula, 6 buah kapal TLDM dan 3 kapal APMM telah kita kerah untuk operasi mencari. Untuk memberi impak yang lebih bermakna kepada operasi tersebut, kita merasakan kerjasama dengan negara-negara tertentu amat perlu dilakukan. Oleh itu, kita telah mendapat persetujuan negara Vietnam akan melakukan operasi di kawasan perairan mereka. Saya telah baru bercakap dengan Perdana Menteri negara China, Li Keqiang. Selain daripada saya menyampaikan takziah kerajaan Malaysia, rakyat Malaysia kepada beliau kerana 153 daripada penumpang MH370 itu terdiri daripada warga negara China dan 1 dari negara Taiwan. Beliau menyatakan pada saya bahawa negara China akan membantu dalam operasi mencari, dan berharap bahawa kita akan meneruskan kerjasama sehingga apa yang kita harapkan itu berhasil. Amerika Syarikat melalui US Navy-nya bersetuju untuk menghantar pesawat-pesawat mereka untuk dilibatkan dalam operasi mencari yang kita sedang jalankan. Dan saya petang tadi menerima panggilan daripada Perdana Menteri Singapura, Sian Loong, dan Singapura telah menghantar sebuah Charlie C130 untuk membantu operasi mencari. Itulah setakat ini saya tak dapat beri apa-apa maklumat tambahan sebab kita belum kesan apa-apa lagi, dan adalah terlalu awal untuk kita untuk membuat apa juga kesimpulan kerana kita sedang mengkaji segala kemungkinan. Ada beberapa teori, tetapi dia akan tinggal sebagai teori, melainkan kita dapat bukti yang boleh dikatakan kokoh. Saya juga telah berjumpa bersama-sama dengan Timbalan Perdana Menteri dan menteri-menteri lain dengan keluarga yang ada di KLIA, keluarga-keluarga yang terlibat dalam penerbangan tersebut dan juga mereka yang sedang ataupun anggota-anggota kapal terbang MH370. Pihak MAS memberi tumpuan kepada memberi sokongan emosi kepada keluarga yang terlibat, sama ada di sini ataupun di Beijing. Seramai 100 anggota MAS berada di Beijing dan sedang berjalan ke Beijing untuk menemui keluarga-keluarga yang terlibat dan untuk memberi apa juga pertolongan yang boleh kepada mereka. Okay, that's... Sorry? Siapa?
Saya dengar dapat laporan bahawa ahli keluarga mungkin bawa pasport datang sini. Dia nak pergi mana?
Keluarga mereka buat pasport?
Yang anggota ahli keluarga yang kami advise buat pasport supaya sesiapa kalau nak terbang pergi ke Beijing, kami boleh uruskan terbang dan betul.
Walaupun belum ada konkret.
Walaupun belum ada konkret, kita terpulang pada jenazah.
Datuk Seri, kawasan diperluaskan sekarang ni, apa yang menjadi kawasan yang diperluaskan?
Seluas mungkin. Ya.
Yang spot asal di mana?
Yang telah dilaporkan lah. Yang beberapa batu nautika tu yang telah pun disiarkan. Itu kawasan tersebut tu kita dah boleh katakan habis melakukan operasi mencari tapi tak dapat mengesan apa-apa. Ya. Diluaskan.
Just to clarify, the family is not sending to Vietnam but to Beijing.
Just to clarify, we have many nationals. So for those here that want to travel, MAS will arrange for their travel. Okay. For example, for some that wants to go to Beijing, for some ones that there are also other members that might want to pay respect. They might want to come to Kuala Lumpur. We also advise all our officers around the world. So we're making travel arrangement for the next of kin. Right?
Kapal terbang itu pada 2.41 AM ketika kapal terbang hubus ataupun dah putus hubungan, tak ada apa-apa pilot mengatakan ada masalah teknikal dan mungkin ada kemungkinan dirampas ataupun
Tak ada. Setakat ni semua itu spekulasi saja.
That is what was the last conversation with the control room, yeah? The last conversation of the pilot to the control room?
That was a normal thing, but maybe the DCA can...
Before the aircraft leave the Malaysian airspace, control airspace, to Vietnam territory waters, it's a normal practice for our air traffic controllers center in Subang to contact the pilot for us to transfer the aircraft to the Ho Chi Minh City Center, and that was done. And the pilot acknowledged, and also Ho Chi Minh Control Center also acknowledged, and that's the last of our communication with the pilots in this case.
So right now, what is the response from Ho Chi Minh?
Ho Chi Minh responded very well to this. We work with their rescue control center. We have our own rescue center in Subang. Both of the centers coordinate each other, and we are doing research on our waters, and Vietnam authorities search in their waters.
What time was that, sir, when you contacted the pilot?
We lost contact with the pilot about 1:30 this morning. Immediately we contact Vietnam. Immediately we contact Singapore and the other countries around this region for confirmation.
So there's no information by the Vietnamese Navy about the plane, the location of the plane?
No?
Are we using any satellite images from the US, taking usage of any satellite from the US or something?
No, not the satellite, because if it's below the surface, water surface, then you'll not be able to detect.
Can we clarify
Which specific region the Navy is searching on? Or which specific region? Which region? Which water?
The area of where I reported this morning, where we lost contact with the aircraft, and also now we have expanded the region beyond that.
Can I say it's South China Sea?
It is in the South China Sea.
Including Philippines,
Say that Boeing have been contacted. Are there representatives on the way to help in the investigation? The aircraft maker?
Aircraft
The
manufacturer.
aircraft manufacturers, the FAA, have written to us to offer their assistance. We acknowledge, yes, but we have to wait because we have not gathered any information, any wreckage on the aircraft yet before we do a thorough investigation.
There's no wreckage so far. No wreckage so far.
We have not found anything so far.
Thank you.
Is it a standard?
Assemble the technical team to study what has happened. What is your response to that?
We have assembled our technical team. We'll do our initial investigation, and of course, the hard facts of it, we have to gather hard evidence to some sort of from the aircraft for us to proceed with the investigation.
What's the reason you lost contact? We heard just now that our Royal Malaysian Navy will be contacting the Vietnamese Navy. Can we get an update on that?
Yes, maybe Trisha.
No, the Vietnamese Navy has confirmed that there is no
wreckage. Yeah.
Crash.
You mean that earlier report? Yeah, they have confirmed there's no wreckage. Dia dekat border tu, jadi dia ada kemungkinan dia terlepas masuk dalam perairan Vietnam. Jadi kita perlu dapat kerjasama daripada Vietnam juga.
How big is the expansion?
Sorry?
I'm going to enter Vietnamese waters for the...
We'll have to get the support of the Vietnamese to do it. It's a very wide area, so I can't give you the exact figure, but it's a wide area.
What is the most likely theory of this happening?
No, it's too speculative.
How long will this...
We cannot indulge in speculation at this stage.
How long will research continue?
How many times
For as long as it takes.
How many times did the pilot contact KL before we lost contact? How many times?
That the DCA will have to answer that.
As I mentioned, we contacted the pilot before we hand over the aircraft to the Vietnamese authority.
Okay, guys. Thank you very much.
Last one. Is it a standard procedure? Okay, at 1:30 it was detected off radar. So it is considered already on danger zone. Is it a standard practice where you guys wait until the plane arrives at said destination and then send the rescue team, or what? Because at 1:30 it was already off radar.
What time kita hantar rescue team?
Yeah, do we wait for the arrival and then send the rescue team, or what? Can we know about the standard operating procedure by the airlines?
When we confirm all the neighboring countries lost contact with the aircraft and nothing on their radar screen, then we contacted MES 240 to inform MES officially the aircraft is missing from our radar, and we activate our rescue control center for 5:30 in the morning because we have to gather all information and assistance from the neighboring countries. And at 5:30 it's still dark, and we mobilize from the assistance agencies, the APMM, maybe as first daylight, and they just go in to the area, and we conducted our search fairly early in the morning this morning.
Prime Minister, is there any possibility for the terrorism? Are you investigating on that?
We are looking at all possibilities, but it's too early to make any conclusive remarks. I'd just like to say that our thoughts and prayers are with the bereaved families affected. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.